morning. How are you?
It's getting hard.
You ready?
Crazy part.
Now this dude that I was trying to get on the ride for free, he wouldn't even start the game until he went and got the tickets from my brother-in-law down there. Is the fair that serious? Okay, so this is my situation right now. I'm trying to get rid of some clothes, I'm trying to get rid of some and fold some up. I'm gonna go ahead and get Marley's uniforms ready for the week. I just washed all of this, and unfortunately, this is one of her new uniform shirts, and the stain didn't come out, so I'm gonna have to rewash that. I'll try to put some type of stain remover on it. So move that over there. Some clothes that she can't wear anymore, and some that I have to put up, and currently still working on this mess right here. So yeah, but I mean, I'm getting some things done. I'm feeling much better, and I'm currently watching Power. I have to catch up on that, so I'm just chilling right now, trying to get some laundry done and catching up on my shows.